Today I'm going to teach you how to do a back hip circle. So, I'll show you what it is first. Okay. That's what it is. So, like, how I learned how to do it was I first started doing, after I learned my pull-over, I started doing big calves, went all the way there, and then I came back, so I went over there, so then my legs went like this, so then I did a big cast, went over fast, over there, and I tried that a few times in a day, but one day I did it so fast that I accidentally went over and I did the back hip circle. Anyways, to continue, let's see. Don't you know when I showed you how to do the back hip circle, I started with one big cast and one over. So you should probably take one big cast and kick over one cast and then kick over really fast, which makes you go back over. And so that's how you do a back hip circle. And that's the end of the video, guys. Bye!